Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily AirPrint on your BROTHER DCP-T510W. So first, what you guys need to do is connect your printer to the Wi-Fi network that you're in, and then basically enter the IP address. Now, what you guys need to do is go over to AirPrint on the site here, as you guys can see, and here what we need is the location. Here we have the printer name, but that doesn't matter. Here we have the location, and we need geolocation, which is optional, but here we can basically type our city or our address or provide some more specific geolocation like the latitude and the longitude, and then click on submit here, and then it will start printing. So that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.